there on the start line. Of the car. Some of these cars have a starter motor that gets plugged in underneath. Others have the starter motor mounted on the motor all the time. They just plug the batteries into the starter motor. It looks like this car has a permanent mounted starter.
When you talk about plugging batteries in, it's more than just a little old 12 volt that starts the end and gets on the way to work in the morning. You want to count the rack of batteries on the trolley there?
Have you seen him fighting with that, trying to drag it out onto the start line? I've had all with mounted in the back of a mini motor.
There's a lot of running that goes with the cutting edge engine, and we're so fortunate to have two of the best cars in the city.